Okay, so today we're going over the knee, the tibia femoral, and three bones that are mainly involved are the femur, the tibia, and the patella. And even though the fibia is connected to the tibia, it doesn't play a major role with the knee. And specifically, the medial and the lateral of both the femur and the medial and the lateral condyles of the femur and the tibia play a major role in the knee, along with the patella onto the patella surface.
Right. There are four synovial joint characteristics that are important to us. One is articular cartilage found at the ends of the bone. Basically, it's hyaline cartilage that makes the joint so the bone smooth at the end. And secondly is a joint cavity, which is pretty much just space between the bones. And this joint cavity is encapsulated by an articular joint capsule, whose outer capsule is fibrous, and then there's an inner synovial membrane, which is made of loose connective tissue. This synovial membrane makes synovial fluid, which lubricates and nourishes cartilage. It also allows for smooth movement. As we can see, these characteristics allow for the synovial joint to be functionally diarthrosis, which means it is freely moving.
Well, the knee joint is the largest and most complex joint in the body. There are 3 joints in one. Specifically, the tibiofemoral joint has some controversy behind what type of joint it is. It acts as a hinge joint, which is similar to the elbow joint, but structurally it is a bicondylar joint. It is synovial and diarthrotic, which means it is freely movable and has a fibrous connective tissue and cartilage between the bones.
So because the tibiofemoral joint is a hinge joint, the 2 main motions allowed are flexion and extension. So flexion, which involves decreasing the angle between joints, so moving the lower leg back. And then extension involves increasing the angle, so you're moving the lower leg forward, which is increasing.